You see, Mars, if you want to get the premium Korean look, all you
How do I
need to
get
do is
Korean?
die and then get reincarnated as a Korean child.
No, except for being
that easy. You don't
reincarnated.
need any money. It's perfectly free. Bro.
No, if you are broke and you want to achieve a Korean look, all you have to do is give yourself some powder and watercolor to
If
color
you're
it.
broke, you don't have watercolor, Mars.
Oh,
If
so
you're broke, you don't have powder. If you're broke, the only thing you can do is die and get
And-
reincarnated as a Korean person. Okay?
actually you can
You just
do
don't
things like
understand
no.
my message, bro.
Marry
Trust
sugar
me, I'm
daddy.
an expert in reincarnation.
What? No. Marry a sugar daddy even if you're broke and then have him give you money to
I don't think
transplant.
sugar daddies would like. I think sugar daddies would like you, bro.
What?
I don't think sugar daddies would. You would want to marry you.
Teka lang, lumabas.
What if?
I'm not.
What if?
Not to
it
be
happens,
rude.
you know,
Not to be rude, but I don't think sugar daddies would even want to look at you.
Si cellphone ko, kaya makarinig niya ng paayos mo. Sige, mag-stop lang kayo kahit mahina. Go.
Yes, Mark.
Ah.
What should we do? Oh.
I'm gonna play Call of Duty.
Ate, kasi
Sing.
No. Never play an online game
milk
in front of
tea.
someone's presence.
Milk tea, Teo.
And also, never play.
Shut up. Do I look like I care?
No.
Do I?
I don't care if you care or not. I was saying about manners, and I was.
Still, I don't care about manners, bro. I'm gonna play Call of Duty Mobile.
No. You should be fellowshipping with us. You
I'm gonna
should
play
be.
Roblox instead.
Oh, let me join.
Let's go!
Biglang ganun. You should be playing Roblox with yourself. You should let me.
Shut.
Why do I have to speak like that? Like, shut.
Shut down.
No, shut up.
Stop.
Hush.
Asyamida.
아샤미다 안녕하세요. 오늘은 저는 먹어줘요.
Kabol mo doon si ano na yun. Post ko yun sa YT.
No.
Ayan. Okay na nga. Oh, ayan. Siya po ay half Canada and half Korean.
Half Canada, half Japan lengke.
Kuya Dian is half United Kingdom.
Half United Kingdom po na half United Nations. So
Australia siya kasi yung pag-speak niya ng English, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Good day.
Oh, I don't even know you here.
I'm half
That's
nothing.
British.
I wasn't talking about England. I was talking about.
I'm half
Shut the heck up! Shut the heck! You shut up!
What language is that? I mean, which
It's British Korean. It's British Korean.
What?
It's British Korean. You wouldn't understand. It's not. It's
You
really
call
not
it
British Korean.
British Korean? Which ano? Ano?
Korean challenge kayo, bilis.
Ano sa'yo? Ang laban na to?
Edit ko muna yan bago ko sa'yo send ko. Send ko mamaya sa'yo. Edit ko muna.
Sige.
Maganda yung kakalabasan niya.
Oni-chan!
Japanese yun.
Senpai.
Teka lang, Japanese.
Ay, sorry, Japanese. Sige, ano na?
Ito lang.
Ano ba yung, Korean?
Ni
Adashi!
hao.
Adashi!
Ni hao. Okay, alright.